Growing Recreation, and today I'm going to make a Christmas centerpiece with you. So I have a large mason jar that I've already painted all in white. I have some little Christmas garland, some ribbon, paint, and a glue gun. So because I've already painted it, I also filled it with pine cones so that my garland will stay in properly. So I'm just going to put that in there. I'm going to wrap my ribbon around the front and glue it so that it holds. And there you go. My centerpiece is all done and ready for my table.